Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on the site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have a really strong 2014 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 Dynamic, finished in Orkney Grey. This diesel automatic 4-wheel drive model has done just 79,745 genuine warranted miles. And the big story with this one is its maintenance history. It comes with service history showing 9 stamps, including 4 Land Rover main dealer stamps, which is exactly the kind of reassurance buyers want on premium SUVs like this. Even better, the Cambelt and water pump have already been replaced at 62,688 miles by MDP Land Rover. It also had a Haldex service at 70,000 miles and a full service carried out at 76,782 miles. That gives this Evoque a solid maintenance profile. Best of all, it comes with a free 12 months MOT, which is provided prior to purchase. The spec on this Evoque is seriously strong too. The panoramic glass sky lounge roof floods the cabin with light, which gives the interior a much more open and premium feel. The Meridian surround sound gives you a proper high-end audio setup, and the reverse camera with front and rear parking sensors makes manoeuvring and parking so much easier. Other highlights include side steps, satellite navigation, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, cruise control, dual zone climate control, xenon headlights, heated and electric front leather seats with driver memory option, electric folding mirrors, paddle shift controls, a privacy glass and 20-inch alloy wheels with red brake calipers. For extra peace of mind, this Evoque comes with 2 remote central locking keys, a free RAC approved 82-point inspection, 3 months RAC nationwide parts and labour warranty, and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. Customers can also ask our trained staff here at Globe Motors Blackburn about extending the warranty for longer term peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RSA approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.